Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a brand new projector from BenQ. Their tiny little portable battery operated GV50 laser projector. This is a stunning, fun projector. In fact, the waiting list of staff members to take this home and have a play with it, every single one of them, when they first saw this, when they first started reading about it, wanted to take it home and borrow it. Because it's fun. It's only 1080p, but that's not the point. The point of this product isn't to be an exceptional high-end projector for dedicated media rooms. This is designed to be something small, portable, lightweight, and a lovely little convergence between just chucking it on the bedroom sideboard and flying it up on the roof for a half an hour end of a movie, or an alternative to a television, or take it to a holiday home and play some Netflix or something like that. It's utterly brilliant. So it features a 2.5 hour battery, and it's got USB and stuff on board as well, so you can plug it in and use a big battery if you really have to use it for utter portability. It's quick to charge, and it can be run on mains, of course, as well. Its feature set is the big reason that this is so fun. They deem it a 2.1 speaker system, but it's only a total of 18 watts, so we'll grumble about whether or not truly it's got a 0.1 on board for a subwoofer. Nevertheless, it's got speakers adequate to that of a television, and that's the point. The idea is this portable little thing, you chuck it down, you watch something for an hour or so, have a bit of fun, and then put it away in the cupboard until next time. It's not designed to be permanent, it's designed to be portable. And with that, it's also designed to be fun and be a complement to the television you might have, or a dedicated media space as well. So, BenQ GV50. The box itself isn't massive, as you can see it's almost a cube. We've got clearly a colour indication of what the unit looks like. BenQ logo, Google TV, among other things. It's when you spin it round and start seeing some of the options that it actually has. Actually here, look. Laser projector, full HD, all of the connection issues. As far as keystone and zoom and things like that, you actually just move it further away and it gets bigger. It automatically focuses, automatically adjusts, does absolutely everything. Netflix on board, Prime Video and YouTube on board, so it's catering for the vast majority of things. It's got HDMI input, Dolby Audio, Chromecast, you name it, on board. There's scannable information associated with the model and serial number. Easy. Opening it's pretty straightforward. The unit itself is just protected with some clear plastic. And we see a simple enough flip-top lid. It's got an emulation of the GV50 model number. And then instant entertainment anywhere. Opening this, we see the projector for the first time, along with a quick setup guide. The guide itself, again, just as you would expect, is about chucking some batteries in it and how to best use it. It's very, very straightforward. In fact, it's easy. Lifting it out, we see that the projector itself is pint size. Let it rock down. Actually, I'm going to set it on its side. It's going to roll everywhere. We see the next layer, which is cardboard. Great to see that from a packaging perspective, that they've obviously thought about the environment from this packaging perspective. It's all 100% recycled cardboard, and it can be recycled 100% as well. The accessories in the bottom are what makes this kind of really feature rich. There's a flap that enables you to gain access to the accessories one at a time. One is the warranty information and a QR code for warranty and support in a Ziploc bag. We see the main power supply. This is a heavyweight power pack, by the way. It's not sealed closed. The unit itself, 100 to 240 volts, so multi-voltage with an output of 19 volts. So again, hence why it charges so quickly if it's on the mains. We've got the little stand, and that's one of the reasons it was rolling around. The stand it comes with is free. It's got a lovely rubber base, and it allows the unit to be rotated on its base, which is kind of cool. There's an open self-slide protection onto ceiling. Oh, cool! This can be used as a ceiling mount if you need to as well. We have got a British power cord, no good to me, Singaporean or other international power cord, and a New Zealand figure 8 power cord. Obviously that's part of the plug pack. Ziploc bag, here it is, 2-pin figure 8. Then lastly we see the remote and its batteries. Okay, there we go. So it's a set of AAA's. The remote itself is white to emulate the projector. Once the batteries are in, I mean, it's a lightweight remote control. It's got a traditional click at the back as far as the two AAA's. Basic operations are on board, as well as navigating through the setup menus and other things like that. Okay, nice and easy. It's got voice control, input selection between the inputs. It's worth noting, by the way, this is designed to also be a multimedia projector. So if you plug it into your laptop, you can plug it in via USB-C and use it as an external monitor, emulating what's on the screen, or any number of things, a second screen perhaps if you want to have some fun. It's got a home menu and other inputs and back keys associated with navigating, volume up and down, and then some hotkeys associated with the most used applications. So it's got one there for Prime Video, YouTube, Netflix, and a dialog box. Now, putting the unit on the stand is really straightforward, but before we do, we're going to have a look at the projector itself. So firstly, rocking it forward, we see this little tag. Now that's designed so that you can literally keep it portable. Pick it up, move it around. That's the point of this product. Tipping it forward, we see the power button. Now you push and hold that and it turns on and off. We've got the go back button associated with navigation. There's a chog control where left, right, up, down, and then enter. Volume up and down, and then a night mode. Now the night mode is associated with some of the blue intensities to ensure that if you're watching late in the night it doesn't necessarily affect your sleep patterns. And then we've got a basic zoom in or focus in and out button as well. Very straightforward. The lens itself is designed to be compact, and most of the surface area that you see is associated with the speakers. And it's a nice weighty projector as far as the battery as well. There's also here, protected by a little cover, the sensor associated with its automatic setup. So as you move the product, it senses that movement and sends up a test pattern temporarily, and then focuses and does the keystone automatically, which is a brilliant feature. It's emulated with some of the feedback sensors here too. Again, now the unit itself can be mounted on a tripod via one of their standardized connection points as well. We've got the BenQ logo at the back along with some ventilation, and then the Chromecast, Cinema Sound logo that we see at the back. So at the side we see the main features sort of easily laid out. The first is a headphone socket. Now this is a 3.5mm stereo headphone output. It could potentially allow you to connect this projector to another speaker system if required, but for silent viewing, obviously headphones can be plugged in. A USB, and that's for basic media playback as well. Then an HDMI input to utilize this from perhaps a disc player or some source like a computer or something portable. USB-C, again as I mentioned, for that second monitor application, and then the power input to charge the battery. Now, it will be powered via USB-C apparently as well. That I might have to check for fact-finding, right? Fact-checking. But nevertheless, it implies that you could use a portable battery if required via the USB-C. Sitting it on the little stand is really easy. It clicks straight in. Okay, hands-free at this moment, and it allows you to be able to rotate it for a ceiling or wall application and spin it around really easily. The whole concept of this is you just sort of plonk it on something convenient, just down beside you, pick it up, shove it over to one side, chuck it on the ceiling, chuck it on the wall. Don't get too stressed. It'll sort itself out from a rectangular perspective and keystone, and then away you go. If you are going to be really, really critical, you're going to have a better television or a better projector elsewhere. This isn't designed to be critical, it's designed to be fun. So, there we have it. BenQ's awesome GV50 projector. It's only 500 lumens, but it still has 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio, so it's bright enough for those fun indoor spaces. It's detailed enough for those movies and music videos. It's brilliant. This BenQ GV50, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.